In the last episode of Home Redecorate series, I cleaned my extremely messy room and turned it into a very clean room, but quite empty. Hi guys, welcome back to my Home Redecorate series. If you haven't watched the last episode, make sure to watch that first and then come back here. Okay, so for this episode, I'm going to show you how I decorate my room for less than 600 ringgit. So let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, my floor is not the same pattern, so I'm going to make it all the same. For now, I'm using rubber mat flooring, but in future, we will install the tiles. So I will do the whole floor until there. For the bed, I chose all white theme because I think it will look clean and fresh. The flat sheet, the pillows and the pillowcases I bought from Shopee, link down below. To store all of my hanging clothes, I bought 2 wardrobes from Lazada, 99 ringgit each. I bought it during Lazada 11/11. So it basically took me and my dad almost 2 hours to assemble the whole thing. But then there's a gap at each of my wardrobe. After some research at YouTube, turns out we just need to adjust the screw from that thing like so. And it looks perfect. So this is the inside. For my folded clothes, I bought a dresser from Lazada as well, 99 ringgit. So I couldn't put the last drawer properly because we didn't receive enough rollers. I always wanted a nightstand beside my bed, so I bought one from Lazada for 52 ringgit, quite expensive, I know. This one I built it all by myself. I put small styrofoams there to make the drawer to open smoothly because there's a gap there. I wanted a soft light on the nightstand, so I bought a table lamp from Lazada as well, 16 ringgit only. So after we finish assembling all of the furniture, so me and my dad put all of the furniture in my room and then basically put everything that I need, my clothes, my scarf, everything that I need back to my room, and then we're done. So now the floor is all the same pattern. I love it. We use this pattern throughout the house as well. So here I put the dresser and I put the 2 wardrobes beside it and nightstand over there. In here I put all of my undergarments and nightwear. So by the time I film this video, the roller haven't arrived yet, but now it looks great. On top of my dresser, I put my bag over here and then my makeup and skincare box over here. And then this is my coin saving collection. And this is just miscellaneous thing. Below it is my brushes. I put it in the box. And this is my perfume and my hijab pins. In the wardrobes, I store all of my hanging clothes, a laundry over there, and fan over here, and nightstand over there. In the first wardrobe, I put all of my scarf and then all of the miscellaneous thing over there. So as you can see, this is how I store all of my scarf. And I organize it by color from light to dark. These are all my inners and extra hangers. Below it is my documents. And then for the second wardrobe, I store all of my hanging clothes. I organize by color. So on top is all of my folded clothes, the one that I use quite often. As you can see, I organize my clothes from light to dark, and I use the same color hangers but different tones. So below it is my laptop and other stuffs. I have the laundry over there and then the fan over here. I don't like the color, but it's fine. So the nightstand, I have my makeup bag and table lamp and water bottle and my food. And that one is my moisturizer. And also I have this tall mirror to check out my clothes that I wear for that day, to make sure everything's fit together. So it's very nice to have. For my bed, I actually use a flat sheet, not a regular bed sheet, because my mattress is too thick for regular bed sheet. I love the white theme that I have over here. It looks clean and fresh like a hotel, but I don't really like the quilt, but that'll do for now. And this rug is actually from DIY. I already have this rug. It's very fuzzy, it's very nice. Over here I have my bags and my luggage, and also the clothing rack for me to hang the clothes that I want to wear that day. So this is the overall look from my bedroom. I love it so much, and I hope you like it too. Okay, so my budget for this room is 600 ringgit. So these are all my expenses for this room. The flooring, the flat sheet, the pillowcases, I got all of that from Shopee. And then everything else, the furniture, the wardrobe, the dresser, the nightstand, the lamp, I got from Lazada during Lazada 11/11. So yeah, I got everything under 600 ringgit, including the shipping fee. So yay! For 600 ringgit, I think I did pretty good. I love my room now. It's way better than the last room that I have. So I just love it. It looks so much cleaner, so much like organized. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. If you like it, make sure to thumbs up and then comment down below, and also hit the subscribe button. Help me to reach 1000 subscribers. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. And for the next episode, I think I'm going to tackle my prayer room. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon beside the subscribe button. So that's all for me today. So bye.